Alright, I'm back. Is it better? I did low latency and I apparently changed the category because it was streaming to entertainment or something. Gaming. Wow. I didn't know I was in gaming. Alright. Where are we at? We are at 46.6. And we get on the 5 minute, the 15 minute. Still in a ascending pattern, squeezing up or down. China is 40 minutes ETA. Wake up, China! Wake up, China! God damn it. Oh! Nope, that's not porn. Mondo, have you returned? Ooh. Where are we going? Where are we going? Well, the 4 hour, I'd say nothing but up. Nothing but up. For days, for weeks, for freaking months. Oh, man. I don't even think I can see my chat anymore. There we go. It just, what? It just populated. I gotta put on some makeup? What? But I'm already pretty. I'm already so pretty. I don't need no makeup. Oh, wow. Hide the scars to fade away. Hey, yeah, sure, man. Is the sync better? Am I synchronized? Can you see my lips move and the sound come out? Oh my god. The keys on the table. I don't know why. I don't know what you're talking about. Are you talking about my crypto keys? I better not have left them on the table. Damn, I think I did. Not synced again. That's a shame. That's a shame. What do I do? Let's see. What do I do? What do I do? Oh, well, that's no fun. I wonder what direction it's gonna go. Let me see if I can do a crypto key. Well, technically, it's not like you have like a seed phrase that's for your wallet, but like there really is no key, I guess. But unless you call your hardware wallet a key, like I do, because it's on my keys. Just, yeah. So yeah. This market we're getting into, right? The future of financing. I really think that you should at least get your money off the exchanges. Yeah, Coinbase is safe and all. I recommend them over any other exchange, but when it comes down to it, you need to have your money off the exchanges. You need to have self custody. For your own crypto. It's not even an option at this point. I mean, these ETFs that are rolling out right now as we speak, in the next 48 hours. I think they said they're going to go live on the market tomorrow. They're going to basically be cash in, cash out. I think for the most part, when I read BlackRock and some of these other big exchanges are only going to be doing that. So there's a lot. There's definitely a lot to dive into. Gaz, if you want to put up with my sync, I can go over the entire thing to you, because I know you were asking me before if I was going to go live, if you were going to be interested. I can go over that in a little more detail. But big things are coming to crypto. This is only the tip of the iceberg. I mean, we don't have mass adoption yet. I didn't think this was ever going to happen. It's been such a long journey. We're such in the early stages. I mean, right now is like the equivalent of us being like right here. like we had a little bit of a lift off for predicting, the halvings are going to lay in right around here around April. Same kind of thing. We got people kind of starting up with the market, and then boom. So who knows where we're end up being? I don't want to predict where we're going to head out. I still think that we've got... this time is different. I don't care what people say. But all of this right here was all just adoption from little people, the nerds, the geeks, the outcasts, just trading back and forth. Had nothing to do with the institutions, what we're about to see. If I were to clean up my charts and show them in a not so messy way. Yeah, we are just begun. Like, we have just started. And we really won't be that far away from our all-time high. I mean, we've already gone up about halfway to... I mean, there really isn't that much far to go to get to 70K again. 69. That's where we're headed. Who knows? I mean, once all the money starts flowing in, they have to buy Bitcoin to sell Bitcoin. Even though they're not going to let you take it back, they're going to give you cash in, cash out. They still have to have 1-to-1 ratio to say they have Bitcoin, like they do in the gold ETFs and everything else, with the market manipulation and that as well, that they had. So, it is anyone's guess as to where we're going to land in the future. I mean, you could be at like 100K by the end of the year. We could be at 150K by the end of the year, and then that's not even the cycle top until we get to the top of with the institutions, instead of just market trading with peer-to-peer transactions. And we're talking about incorporating everyone's 401ks, Wall Street getting money in, all these sovereign nations jumping in with all their wealth. I mean, all it takes is... What was it? Rumors were... what was it? I forget the name of that country. Anyway, all it takes is one big nation to jump in. El Salvador is already accepting Bitcoin. Argentina, with the election last year, they're already accepting Bitcoin in their country. There's only so much before this just blows up. And not even huge. I mean, Argentina is pretty large for the South American nations, but like, yeah, when huge continents. Africa. When Africa gets in on this, people that haven't even had bank accounts yet are gonna first bank accounts are gonna be crypto bank accounts. Insane, just absolutely insane. We already started to see that with like WorldCoin and stuff. So, dystopian future is here. It is now, and Bitcoin is the future of finances. Put your money in the one asset that only goes up, and that is Bitcoin. Oh boy, where are we now? How's my sync? It's still the same. After all my rambling, didn't catch up or anything special. I do feel like I can even see it on my end now, I think. Pretty sure. 2030? 100,000? No. I think it'll be 2030. Fidelity is the one who said that by 2038 we'd be at $1 billion, and oh man, if that's really likely, we'd probably have bigger problems in our country, for sure. We'd have probably lost like at least half of the value of every dollar, even though it's depreciating by 1%, according to the great Michael Saylor. Yeah, and yeah, this is the one asset that doesn't just devalue itself over time with printing of money and inflation. This is a hedge against inflation, which is amazing. How far we've come with people like Larry Fink and BlackRock, completely discounting it, saying that none of their clients are interested in Bitcoin. Last year, and on top of that, every newscast just making a complete mockery of it over the years. And then all of a sudden, this year, it's great for the environment. It's not a waste of energy. We can mine it, like with renewable energy. Yeah, that's fine. Bitcoin, yeah, all my clients want Bitcoin now. Like, yeah, okay, Larry Fink. That's terrific. That's awesome. And I'm just ranting. I'm just so excited. I'm excited to be on. Even with the issues tonight, I'm excited to finally see the markets take off. I've waited so long for this. I've told all my friends, all my family. In fact, one of my friends who's testing the stream tonight had told me, even though she didn't personally believe in it, to stream it anyway, to get out there and let your voice be known and heard, and meet new people. And this ideally is what I want to create. I want to create a community where I can engage with my viewers and engage with people that are like me and are on the sidelines and afraid to talk, afraid to say anything, afraid to get out there. Not for the sheer fact that they're ashamed of what they're into or what they're about, but also just not having any friends in it. I've been going strong 3 years now strong with this concept. Yeah, do it. With this concept of just money go up, dollar go up. Don't be ashamed of anything. There's definitely things to be ashamed of. Ask Epstein and his buddies what there's something to be ashamed of. Unbelievable what's going on with that. But I think everyone needs to have their voice heard. Everyone needs a platform. I really don't have anyone to talk to about this. This is going to be my escape, my way to meet other people in the industry, to really get my thoughts and my opinions and my word out. And I want to hear from you. I want to hear from the people that will eventually or watch this stream and feel the same way. Feel like they're left out. Feel like their voices are not heard. There are a lot of the communities are much older or younger and also portray more maybe a masculine, like over masculine, crypto bro kind of aesthetic, which is fine. It works for them. I want to be the one out there who's been in the uh, on the sidelines, who's been picked on as a kid because he liked to play Pokemon, or like um, you know was afraid to watch Dragon Ball and being called Master Roshi because his nose bleeds in the school playgrounds. Yeah, I wanna be that type of community. Those are the type of people I'm trying to attract. Yeah, if you want a piece standing up, that's yeah, sure. All more power to you. But yeah, nothing should hold you back from buying Bitcoin. Nothing. Nothing should hold you back. Everyone needs some of it. I mean, it's the future of everything we're gonna do in our country, in the world. It's borderless. It's non-sovereign. You don't have to worry about the government taking it from you. Oh, lost it in a boating accident. Okay, that's great. You're not gonna be able to take it from me. It's in my other spaceship. Yeah. No. Everyone needs to have this. You are the bank with this asset. You are free. You are truly free. And it's sad because our country's gone so far away from it. This concept of freedom, where we're headed towards social control and consumer control. Like everyone, no one really notices that all these ads and all these corporations are all targeting you as a consumer to go out and buy their products constantly. And yeah, it's never going to end. We live in such a capitalistic society with so many monopolies. It's never going to end. Every day you hear about a new company gobbling up another. It's absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Let's get back to my front cam. Now that I know that the sync is not really going to affect it at all. There we go. And I lost it entirely. What is going on? There it is. But yeah, I'd like to build a community and share my my perspective. Share beautiful games like this, these works of art from Nintendo. You may remember anything like that, really. As well as having fun just watching the market, as I am tonight on ETF day. About 24 minutes until China wakes up. Still heading up. I've got this other thing I want to test for the sync. If I can get the sync to work a little better, I can try, and it was the sample rate. I can change the sample rate or the sync offset, but I don't know if that might affect my my stream in the long term. What do you think? What? Yeah, that's a challenge I don't think is quite realistic, especially at my stage. This is the day one for me. No Bitcoin in the first day. I don't deserve it. Do not deserve it yet. It's having a little bit of a tracement. Let's go in 1 minute. It had a little bit of a cup and handle pattern and then lost it a little bit, but that could still play out. Look at the 5 minute. Yeah, that's still pretty bullish. We'll see. We'll see if it retraces. Let me go back to my. Oh, this was interesting. I've been mapping and watching this for about a year now. Oh, 6 months, not quite a year. I've tracked the ETFs from gold and then played it back to the same pattern. It's impressive what happened like back in 2008, 2004, I think, was it ETFs were announced and released for gold, but this pattern here was perfect. Absolutely insane, and it carried me through the entire thing. We're just watching it for was it October? A little bit before that, November, September. Have any felonies? What? Well, funny thing about that, I did get arrested one time, maybe for an illicit item at a school. Being an otaku, you know, it was a katana on school property. That is a true story. Oh Jesus! Yeah. So Gaz, since you're back, doesn't count as a felony. I think you're right. I think that's more of a misdemeanor. I don't think it was actually a felony. And that was a minor too, so it really didn't really count. No, I am not known for any felonies. I'm otaku. I stay home. I look at Bitcoin, and I play games. That's about it. That's my life. You outside, you're gonna be exposed to all the toxic chemicals and the acid rain. I mean, we live in 2024. I mean, like we're like the prelude before cyberpunk. I mean, we are on the brink of Blade Runner. Jesus. Yeah, acid rain's coming. Don't worry. Oh my god. I guess I did because of the timing, because of the sync rate. I'm not sure what you're pertaining to. What joke? Yeah, I was in such a hurry to stream tonight. It's been a crazy week. Computer like falling apart on the brink of all this. I'm reading the chat. I'm probably just like so far in the future, you haven't even seen it yet. Oh my god. Jesus is testing me. Well, you know, about Jesus, I think what we should look at is we should look at Jesus coin. Did you know your Lord and Savior has a cryptocurrency named after him? Actually, it was doing quite well the other day. Oh my god. Man, oh man, oh man. Let's see what Jesus coin's doing. Oh my god. Oh, I have to pay for more. I won't do any more charts. Yeah. Coughing coin's a good one. Yeah. Kind of morbid, but yeah. Sure, let's look at some other currencies. Or we could just look at let me get that. Jesus coin. Well, I wonder where Jesus coin is on the list too. Probably like, I don't know, 10,000 or maybe 20,000 in the top cryptos. Let's see. Jesus coin. It is currently sitting at I don't know. Where is it on the market cap? I guess I can't see it with. It's definitely not top 5. Oh, it's the dark mode. That's throwing me off. There we go. Well, yeah, there's definitely a Jesus coin. I don't know why I can't see the. Is that it? Is it 24,747 in the total market cap list? I think that's the list. I think that's the listing for it. It's worth a fraction of a penny. Oh yeah, you have no idea. There's a token for anything. I mean, when I got started in this, there was 3,000 coins. Now there's like over 30,000. It's insane. What was Jesus coin? It's so weird. It's not show. Oh well, BSC, 5,320 in the total market cap. Look at that, Jesus. Raptor Jesus. That's my favorite Jesus. And that coin is 8,788 in the total market cap. Oh my god. Is there any sexy coin? Are you kidding me? Yes, there's plenty of sexy coins. Oh my god. XYZ sexy on ETH. What is that? Top. It's not even telling me the listing on it. But yeah, these are basically all just shit coins. No one really takes any of these seriously. I mean, if you're not within the top 100, you're either an upstart or you're a shit coin. You're a scam coin token. So yeah, I mean, they're pretty solid. I would say within the top 10, if you were gonna throw any of your money into anything, and except Doge, I really can't. I really can't with Doge. There's no utility except Elon's word. But yeah, oh boy, top 10. They're all solid. Everything except for Tether, which is a stable coin. USDC is a stable coin. They're all solid projects. BNB, it's Binance Smart Chain. It's a exchange token. Coin slot hentai coin. You know what? I don't even know if there's a hentai coin, but you know what? I would maybe do a deep dive and look into the tokenomics of that particular coin. Look at that. They made a total max supply of 888,888,888. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, yeah, your mom can play with any toy she wants, man. More power to her. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah, you name it, there's a coin for it. I mean, there's probably a taco coin. Yep, there's tacos. There's Taco Swap. I've heard of that before, actually. Yeah, there's probably a Mondo token too. Mondo, there it is. Buy it now before it's too late. Oh my god. Oh man. Are you sure you didn't make this one for your con? I mean, it looks like it's the token ticker is MondoCon. Oh. That's on the Ethereum network too. Yeah, there's so much to deep dive on this stuff. I mean, when it comes to tokenomics of everything, the layer, the layer 1s, layer 2s, where the chains are. I can go into it all night, all day, all year. Part of the reason why I'm so passionate about this, why I'm jumping in on this, is because I have learned so much in this space. I mean, I've got probably 85-ish 85,000 hours on it. 8,500. I mean, 8,500 hours invested in this. Yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, top 10 coins to watch. There's so many. Yeah, Mondo actually does have a con, believe it or not. Yep, she is very well invested in a particular community. Let's see. I'm going to switch back to Bitcoin real quick and see where it's at. 46.6. Still just kind of chilling there, waiting for China. Waiting for China. 10 more minutes. I can't. Oh my god. Yeah, that is a fraction. A fraction of your community, for sure. Yep. Wow. Oh yeah, she's very popular in the VR communities. A particular game. Yeah, I'm surprised, Gaz, that you don't really hear much about it in your neck of the woods either, because you guys are ahead of regulation before we did. Pretty much anything. Man, oh man. So, I'm looking at maybe doing a little bit of charting here since I've got this up. Looks like the next layer of support is gonna be pretty much right there. Now previous resistance becomes support, and we've already looked at that. Oh yeah, Mondo and I have been going back for years now. Her and I have been pretty close over the years. Since the world of technology, everyone doesn't meet in person anymore. All of our friends are online. Scary to go outside. Acid rain! Don't forget the acid rain. Yeah, she's had to put up with me ever since I got started in Bitcoin. Put up with my nonsense. Jesus. It's crazy. I think we were only at 35K only just a short while ago. I mean, that was, yeah, barely 2 months ago. Oh, wow. Yeah, I guess if you're going to attach me to a vegetable, cucumber's not terrible. I mean, size does matter. So Thursday will be the first trading day. So this could probably more or less take off right there tomorrow morning. Maybe more like Friday. China wakes up in 5 minutes! Let me see if there's any news going on right now in China. You want makeup? Do I look like I need makeup? Oh my god. I mean, I'm pretty pale. Maybe I do need some makeup. Yeah, nothing really happening. Grayscale. Oh yeah, so they've been having a war right now on interest rates. It's a song? I've never heard of it. Grab a brush and put on a little makeup. What? Never heard of it. Never heard of her. But yeah, it looks like spot Bitcoin ETF could be very unfavorable outcome today. Yeah, we already know it was approved. Oh wow, I didn't know it was a 3-2 vote to was cast today. Okay. And Gensler actually approved it. Holy crap. Yes, yes. Mondo and I kind of go back and forth on the anime. Anime just isn't quite what it used to be. I'd say as an OG otaku, anime just kind of aged like a fine wine. Everything's already kind of been done to. There's some good stuff that comes here and there. My favorite last year was Uncle from Another World. That was awesome. Oh, Jesus. So what girly stuff like Chobits? Or like Shuffle? That was kind of girly back in the day. Steins Gate. I don't know that one. I don't know what that one is. Yeah, Chobits was by far one of my favorites. I mean, who puts the switch there, right? I mean, there's obviously a little switch there. It turns her on, you know. Come on. Yeah, Sailor Moon was one of my first when I was a kid. I did watch it. I don't care what anyone wants to say. Men did watch that back in the day, or boys. What's the Super Sentai? You know, the Super Sentai, Magical Girl. You could say either of those are appealing anyway to any crowd. In OG anime anyway. The Cabbage Patch, a light bright. Well, yeah, I mean, who doesn't like a good light bright? Back in the 80s and 90s. Where are we at right now? The 5-minute chart. China's still about to wake up. 2 minutes. And tomorrow is work day. The markets are gonna be up. No more of these holidays. We're done. I still have a light bright. An easy bake oven. You know, as a kid, I've always wanted one. But you know, as a boy, it's kind of not your. You know, society tells you to do a certain thing, especially back in the 80s. It wasn't a. It wasn't a. Yeah, it wasn't a approved thing for boys to have. But I did play with some of my neighbor kids easy bake ovens. Oh wow! Actually, that last one I've never even heard of. I definitely seen Berserk before, a long time ago. It's so hard to like name favorites though. Like it, there's just too many anime. I mean, speaking of crypto, there's when I got in, there's 3,000 coins, and now there's 30,000 coins. Anime is like the same thing. When I got into anime, there was like 300 maybe, maybe 30 that I even got into the states at that time period, because everything was on VHS, and I mean outside Dragon Ball, we weren't watching anything on TV, unless you count like old Speed Racer reruns or maybe Macross, Robotech, Transformers. That was about it. Yeah, it's crazy where we're at. Now there's like 30,000 animes. I remember looking up the list a few days ago or a few weeks ago. Um, Absolutely insane how crazy the entire industry has gotten with anime. And nothing's even no, they're not doing animation cells anymore. Everything with anime is all pretty much computer generated graphics. They're doing everything in studio on screens, all on the screens. Yeah, it's trying to hold there. We really haven't lost that since the ETF was approved. It's kind of sitting on that shelf. Galray Zero. I haven't seen that one year either, to be honest. It's just so hard to get into newer anime these days. Spy Family, like that's everywhere. The branding for that is everywhere. They're selling that on every T-shirt you see, at Hot Topic, every capsule toy in the mall. Yeah, I never really understood the appeal on it, but you never know until you try. Where are we with? I really am interested to see what happens when the markets open in China. I mean, it's 9 o'clock now, but they still got 28 until 20 until trading begins. I think. I don't think the Chinese stock market opens until 9:30. My time, EST. Let me see. Still no news in China. No news in China. Pretty much all my favorite anime are mecha series like Gundam, or oh man, there's so many. Macross is a really good series. There's a lot of different, a lot of good. Yeah, China's starting to report. Whoa, wait. No, that's old news. I swear, we have to be getting censored by some of their media. Like, some of their media has to be censored in our country, because it just seems so hard to get through. Here's a day ago. Yeah, they're just not popping yet. China. Oh, wow. Well, welcome back. Damn. So this right here is really bullish. This is what is starting to look like a cup and handle pattern on the 1 hour chart. And in the 15, you can still see it. Wow, that's crazy. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think you did. How's he doing? Yeah, I think it was a long-haired cat, wasn't it? Oh my god. Well, Gaz, if you want to send it to me, I can pull it up. I guess WhatsApp. Which I had to reinstall my computer the other night in preparation for all this. My computer took a crap, so I had to reinstall WhatsApp on my computer, but... Oh my god. A Maine Coon. Yeah. She was real pretty. Downloading WhatsApp now. Looks like Bitcoin's about ready to test 47 again. Where's where it sat there and got rejected last time after hitting 48. Yeah, that cat was like a freaking leopard. It was huge. Looks like I have to sync my phone to WhatsApp. Oh, menu settings. Menu settings. Select link device. Oh. Scan barcode. Link device. Two-factor authentication. You see that? Two-factor authentication. SAC should learn something from this stream. Because they got hacked. Supposedly. The day before. Oh my god. Silly. Silly, silly nonsense. Alright, so it should be connected now. Or not. What? I'm not in Uganda. I am in America. United States of America. Not China. America. The greatest country in the world. Do you know the Bitcoin, my friend? Do you know the Bitcoin? Do you know the way of the Bitcoin, my friend? I will show you the way. I will show you the way. If I can only get WhatsApp to show me the way. I could just show my screen on my phone. That is Gaz's coon. His main coon. I can't. It yeah, the picture doesn't show it justice. I really need something to like to really gauge the size of that cat in the picture. I remember you sent me a picture before. There was like I think a chair leg or something in it. It was huge. Yeah, I could show you my bank account details right here. Right here. Michael Jackson? What? Yeah, he's not in jail. He's actually living comfortably right now in Argentina. Probably on Bitcoin. I mean, who wouldn't be? Jeez. They got him off that gurney. They took him out of his room when his doctor, said that he was dead. And they just put him on a plane and sent him to Argentina. Michael Jackson's just like the king of rock and roll. The king of pop is still alive. Yep. Or he's an alien. He just went home. I mean, he looked like an alien, right? In the end. Oh my, yeah. Yeah. I'm a prince. Just send me 1 Bitcoin and I will send you 2. I promise, I swear. Which is really crazy. Believe it or not, I see them every day. They're still rampant. Every major, I would say top 10. Every top 10 crypto has had YouTube ads, paid ads on their ad campaigns. Like if you clicked on this video and it gave you an ad, and because it's in a crypto category, it would like give you this. I mean, scammers have paid and they're still streaming them. Like I don't know how they can get away with it. They stream these ads where it's like just send us a small amount and we'll send you twice the amount back to thank you as a loyal follower or loyal holder of XYZ crypto, whether it's Michael Saylor and Bitcoin, even though he's not even the project creator. XRP with Chris Larson, AI deepfake all these people, and they all throw them, and they're fake. You can tell clear as day they're fake, but to some people it scams them. It's sad. It's very unfortunate. We don't have enough regulation by the SEC, which is leading us into where we are tonight again. SEC approves Bitcoin ETFs. It's a scam. What the heck? Well, Gaz, if you've gotten away with that, props to you. I couldn't do that. I think I don't live in the right country to pull that off. But I guess maybe being in the UK is exotic. Like, more exotic than being in America anyway. To some people. Actually, I know a girl who's... Yeah! One of my friends, I'm not going to say her name, but... She's dating someone long distance in the UK right now. Someone I play Apex Legends with. It's kind of crazy, but there's some appeal there. XYZ, man. Those girls, they dig that. Just give them some of your Z. Oh man, I just can't get over how well this entire... I mean, look at that. The whole time it's like almost a mirror image. Wherever there's a big boy, there I am. Like a big boy? Like the restaurant? There aren't that many of those left, you know. You know, Wendy's is now experimenting with AI customer service reps, cashiers or whatever. May I take your order? May I take your order? I don't know. Attendance. I don't know what you call them. Drive-through windows. Yeah, AI drive-through windows. Oh man, have you guys seen the robot they unveiled the other day? There's a new version of I think it's Optimus. That was actually making coffee. Have you seen that yet? It's insane. Like, and they got the Mondo. Remember I was telling you they got the price of these robots last year. Of course, Elon said that these robots were only going to cost these companies $30,000 to $35,000, and the prices were decreasing. Well, now they have this robot, and it's $20,000. The average American makes, depending on the state, 35, 30,000, 40 maybe in some states. That's 2 of these robots, and then someone to fix them, repair them. Yeah, I'm gonna show you this coffee robot video. It's insane. I could have had this robot make me coffee this morning, and I wouldn't have to get out of my chair and like stop doing what I'm doing. Oh man, it's here. I mean, I grew up with the Jetsons reruns. Remember Jenny? She's coming. She's coming. What, Wendy's? With an Asian accent? Hello, can you take my order? Oh my god, that's an alien accent. Not a legal alien. Anyway, this video is insane. Absolutely insane. There's robot. There is coffee maker. Make my coffee. Do it. Now, do it. Do it! Oh my god. Can he do it? Yeah, there, it's in. It's in. Oh, it's loaded. Oh my god. Amazing. Amazing. And then does he get it out? Oh, it serves the coffee? Oh my god. I mean, literally anything that requires any sort of muscle memory can be done now with a robot. Just Shia LaBeouf. Yep. I never could take him seriously. This is the most amazing part here, too. This robot, not only with AI correction, can just, visually see that it's not in properly and then auto-correct it with human-like motions. Who doesn't use their thumb and stuff? I mean, I imagine that this would be more like, I mean, unless they're, they're altering this video in any way, shape, or form, you could just connect to the robot and have the motions, captured to you, for the robot to do it for you. So maybe we gotta wait a little later for a better demonstration. But yeah, it's incredible, absolutely incredible. where we're at with it. Oh no. Shia LaBeouf. Oh my God. He's lurking in the shadows, Shia LaBeouf. Yeah. That's one of my favorites. Especially the Citizen Kane. Yeah, reaction to that video. Yeah. Amazing. Yep. It does kind of sound like that, doesn't it? You don't know what I'm doing underneath it. I could be, you don't know. Oh man. 10 more minutes. And yeah, I'd imagine China is want to sell. You know what? I'm gonna check. There's a tool on the market you can pay for called Bookmap. Oh man, there might be something wrong. Do you have any foreskin? Or are you lacking foreskin? Maybe that's why. The fapping sounds different. If it doesn't echo down a hall, then yeah, you're not fapping right. I'm just gonna say that. I really hope this is not streaming for younger audiences. Oh yeah, so bookmap. Yeah, if you're a real girl, I don't think you do have any foreskin, but wow. 3 skin, that sounds like a chicken recipe. Like, I don't know. Like a rotisserie chicken. Jesus. The book maps. I mean, it's 2024. You tell me if you're a real girl. What constitutes being a real girl? Wow, that's kind of sad. There's only 100 people watching this bookmap chart stream. So this is bookmap. I am not paying for this. I am not sponsored by this. Yada, yada, yada. Bookmap. Right now we're having a huge sell-off. China is up. They are selling. Interesting. Because they don't care. Their country's going to regulate their own shit anyway. Oh, wow. Wow. Yeah, Mondo is girl. That is really rare in these communities. I think there's only like 2 actually main YouTuber crypto channels that I subscribe to. Oh jeez. Oh, China buy, China buy. Time for China buy. Oh no. China coming. They come buy your stuff. Let's see that kind of reflected there. There's still a lot of selling pressure up top. 46,000 people are setting up. So yeah, they got a lot to push through. Do you have legs, Mondo? That's the question of the night. Because if you don't have legs, you might as well just go home. What the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, wearing pants is overrated. That's why you don't leave the house. That's why you don't need to. You don't have to worry about acid rain if you don't leave the house. You don't have to worry about excess sun exposure or being trapped by all these consumer ideas that just make you shop at Walmart and you want to kill yourself. What is that? Yeah. Okay. Panties. Yes. All pants are panties in the UK. What? Oh, panties. Panties. God damn. Wow. Jesus. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, people want to buy at 46. What's the fanny? We're already there. That was actually more like 6 p.m. We got approved. I think it, I think my stream froze, I think. Going too long. It just wants to freeze. What? Fanny packs are kind of out. Yeah, they're not really in anymore. I seen a girl wear a fanny pack the other day, actually, in the mall. I didn't know. I didn't even think about it. I just thought maybe the 90s are coming back a little bit in the trends. I noticed like every single mashup right now is all from the 90s. And there was a lot of good music in the 90s, but nowhere near as good as the 80s. Even the 70s. I don't know. I like... There were just too many boy bands and girl chick groups in the 90s. What is going on with Bookmap? Oh, still selling off at 46.5. The 2000s, though? I don't know. I mean, there were definitely some hits in the 2000s, but it definitely wasn't my my favorite. Jeez. I am a 90s kid, but I grew up with everything from the 80s, so it's complicated. Yup. Me too. You know, 88 is the year of the dragon. Speaking of China. China is awake. And it's 9:30. So what is China doing? They may have to wait till the markets open in America tomorrow. Mainland China, I still don't think is allowed to buy crypto. I think it's just like Singapore, Hong Kong. Yep, you're the dragon. Wow, me and Mondo are both dragons. I never really thought of it as scary or I always thought it like lucky. I always thought of being a dragon, a Chinese New Year dragon, as being lucky. And I think this year was the Year of the Dragon again in China, the Chinese New Year, which isn't that in January? Pretty sure it is. Chinese New Year, January 2024. It's in February in 2024. No, wait. It's today. Or yesterday. Well, yesterday for them, today for us. It's already Chinese New Year. Yep. It's Year of the Dragon again. And the Chinese zodiac, the Year of the Dragon, is the 5th animal. Ooh. Dragon is powerful, endlessly energetic, and full of vitality. Goal-oriented, yet idealistic and romantic. Oh my god. I'm a visionary leader. Yeah. So, follow me and buy Bitcoin. Oh my god. They know exactly who they are and possess the keenest sense of self among the 12 zodiac of the Chinese astrology. I'm definitely all of this. I'm a hopeless romantic for sure. And I know exactly what I want, and I get it. So buy Bitcoin. Oh my god. What is it, Mondo? Don't let your dreams be dreams. Buy Bitcoin. And we are sitting on the shelf still at 46.6. Waiting to squeeze out of that tube. The tube. It is what it is. I am a hopeless romantic. I know what I want out of a relationship, but that relationship hasn't found me yet. That's why we have waifu. That's what's so great about Bitcoin. Is because you don't need anything else. All you need is this pretty person right here to brighten up your day. This golden personality in this chart. And there you go. My life is complete. Oh yeah, Gaz, at some point I'm planning on having a dancing Bitcoin girl, Bitcoin Chan, on my stream too. Either in the foreground or the background. For fun. Like, oh my god. I've had so much fun with building this stream too. I mean, it's just a crazy project for the last 2 months. What? Just respect. That's it. That's all. That's all. You have to have more. You have to want more than just respect. I guess he's challenging you whether or not you're earning your respect or not. Oh man, this is like really getting heated. This is a battle right now between the Bulls and the Bears in China time. China. China wants your Bitcoin. I mean, you know, you can always Oh my god. What? You would tip a table? What? $46.6. It's getting higher. Oh my god. Yeah, I think that's with a lot of cultures. Food was one way to get into a man's heart is the table. Not anymore. It's more complicated than that now. You need the right pronouns, probably, right? Not the start. I am a red crayon, by the way. I just want to make that clear. I identify as a red crayon. And I take offense to anyone who does not acknowledge that. And I've already taken offense to it. I can't even put that on my YouTube profile. It asks me my pronouns. And red crayon's not there. Why? Why is my pronoun not there? That's you can't do that. No takebacks. You can't identify as me. Oh, or as you? Like you? All right, you. Ooh, there's a big sell off. It hasn't reflected price yet. They're pushing it down. China's like, oh, the Americans, they buy, oh, we sell. What the hell? Did the synchronization get any better? Or is it still the same? Oh my god. I don't know, man. Jesus. Oh, really? Well, that's good. That's good to hear because I don't know what could have done it though. The only thing I did was change the sample rate, but when the stream went live, I had to go to lower sync. What do you call it? Looks like we're flipping right now. They be a buy-in. China be a buy-in. And I even see that in the 1 minute probably is making a little bit of a... it's kind of falling off that. Making the final leg of the cup and handle pattern. But it's still like it's trying to hold that. Yeah, China is awake. They are now officially up. They've been up for about 10 minutes now. In the markets open. So probably see some crazy stuff in about an hour though, maybe. But it's definitely getting squeezed out. Basically what we're waiting for is these open orders to be filled, and then once we hit the ones that are trying to get out and sell, and that meets our buy orders, then we're going to be I mean, there's really nothing up here. I mean, what? There are some people wanting to sell a little bit at probably 47 again, and I can't see any further up, but like 48. And that puts us right back here. And all we have to do is break through that, and then there really isn't that much after that to 52,000 or 53,000. Boom. There's like nothing there from the previous resistance. Crazy. And all it takes is a matter of days, and we can see brand new all-time highs. It's possible. Oh my god, wow. 2 a.m. It's almost 3 a.m. Wow, man. All right. Well, yeah, I appreciate you coming and hanging out with me tonight. That's awesome, man. Yeah, I'm probably going to call it here in about 20 minutes after I see what China does. Yeah, Mondo, yeah, she's pretty cool, man. I don't know a lot what I would do without her in a bunch of scenarios. Awesome. Thanks, man. Oh, wow. So yeah, this is nuts. And it hasn't even like exploded yet. I'm really surprised that this all went down the way it did. It's like a movie. I mean, who would have thought that the SEC would be so so pathetic after all this time? And they're gonna have to investigate themselves. Jesus. Looks like the biggest thing I can find with Chinese. Yeah, they are up. China market awake. Let's see, what is bookmap doing still? You know, Mondo, they call this the the Bitcoin loading screen. It just loads forever. Until Dubai wants to throw like you know, $500 billion of their sovereign wealth fund in or something. Oh my god. Yes. Serving the crypto markets. Putting in my first hour tonight. Serving the crypto markets. Oh wow, 6 hours ago, the FBI is now investigating the SEC hack. God. CNN. They never cover anything about Bitcoin. I mean, especially if it's not if it's positive. It's pretty surprising. Looks like, yeah, most of the major news outlets got that wrong yesterday. Look at this pretty shelf. When was the last time we had a pretty shelf like that? This morning, yesterday morning. Yeah, China, I don't think it's gonna happen tonight. It's definitely consolidating in tighter channels too. Like it could blow up anytime. Am I on the 1 minute? Yep. Yeah, actually, it looks like yeah, right around 10 o'clock. It's gonna go some direction. Not even from the lowest point. That looks like a little bit more of a bear flag than a bull flag. "15 more minutes and then I'm gonna call it if China doesn't do nothing." Hey Mondo, you ever seen Ranma? Oh boy. Oh no. Jesus. Oh boy. I'm digging up old memories, I'm sorry. Oh no, the little bit is coming. What is it going to do? I don't know. I think it's going to go up and then hit this spot and then go back down. Who would have guessed? It may actually go all the way out to the very edge. Handy book map. I think I lost my book map. There it is. Oh no, I'm cheating. It's going up. Only slightly. Only slightly. Yeah, this may just take more time to work itself out. Oh well. Someone just put in a big buy. Oh, what was that? $1 million? That big jump right there. $1 million worth of Bitcoin at 46,580. I must have. Not like a few days ago or a few weeks ago or a few months ago. I have to have that now. 1 million now. Boom. I got, yes, bit ass coin, a bit of ass and coin. I think there is there's plenty of that. Oh my God. For sure. Another thing I like to do on my live streams at some point, when the market's not completely popping the hell off, or, ooh, we're breaking out a little bit of this channel. Nope, it's still doing that. Down, where we expect it. Boom, there, and then it looks like the bulls are currently losing. There's some big buy orders at 46.6. What 10 more minutes? And that's it, China. You've exceeded my patience, and I have tested my stream for 2 hours. 2 hours. I'd love to stay up all night and watch this though. It'd be amazing. It's breaking out a tiny bit. It's just not enough. Not enough. Not on the back of this giant news that now crypto is officially a regulated product, commodity. Buy Bitcoin. Buy it. The United States says it's okay. And everyone should listen to America because we're America. Buy Bitcoin. It don't care if you don't have shoes in your country. Buy Bitcoin anyway. You'll be able to buy all the shoes you want in your native currency. I assure you. Oh my God. Okay. Oh man, it's just an ongoing wave. We are just waiting to get squeezed. Wow, the buy orders are coming back. Oh yeah, like you said earlier about a bit of an ass of a coin, a bit of a coin of a butt. I do have some of that on my stream. I can share, possibly, if I can find it. Like anything else in life, you have to find it. Bitcoin. A bit of an ass, a bit of a coin. Yeah, she is a bit of an ass right now tonight. Not doing what everyone wants her to. She is just swimming. Swimming with the fishes. Oh, it was a bit of a run up there too, but I mean, it just consolidating. Okay, here we go. And sell off. Yeah, the Bears are still winning. 46-6. Oh, massive sell orders just started. China said, no, we want to sell. You guys buy tomorrow. We sell now. Oh, China. Alrighty. Well, I think that was a good, successful test and stream. I am going to be back tomorrow. The same thing. Hopefully a better night for Bitcoin. Better day for the markets. Tomorrow morning, all the money's going to just rush in and do what it does best. Buy and sell off. And it's all about that corporate greed. So don't let your dreams be dreams. And buy Bitcoin. I'm out. Later. Thank you, Mondo. Thank you, guys. Bye.